Timeline of important Indian Constitution amendments. First Amendment, 1951. Added restrictions on freedom of speech and expression to protect public order, morality, and incitement to offense. Second Amendment, 1952. Related to the representation of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies. Third Amendment, 1954. Addressed the powers of the state legislature to make laws concerning the representation of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Fourth Amendment, 1955. Strengthened provisions for the protection of property rights and enhanced the powers of the government to acquire property. Fifth Amendment, 1972. Further refined property rights and provided for the compensation of property acquired by the government. Sixth Amendment, 1976. Related to the administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. 42nd Amendment, 1976. Known as the Mini-Constitution, it made significant changes, including the inclusion of the words socialist and secular in the preamble. 43rd Amendment, 1977, repealed certain provisions of the 42nd Amendment, restoring powers to the judiciary. 44th Amendment, 1978, restored civil liberties after the emergency, including the right to constitutional remedies. 52nd Amendment, 1985, introduced provisions for disqualification of MPs and MLAs on the grounds of defection, anti-defection law. 63rd Amendment, 1989, provided for the establishment of a National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. 73rd Amendment, 1992, introduced the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj for local self-governance in rural areas. 74th Amendment, 1992, provided for the establishment of municipalities for urban local governance. 86th Amendment, 2002, made education a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14. 93rd Amendment, 2005, provided for the reservation of seats for other backward classes, OBCs, in educational institutions. 104th Amendment, 2019, extended the reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in legislatures.